Falcons and figuras. Hi, I'm Mercury Time and I'm back with recommendations on what to do in Penedès this weekend. It's a long weekend between the day of the Spanish Constitution today and the Catholic holiday of the Immaculate Conception on Saturday. Many people living in Barcelona will take the day off tomorrow, which means that they have 4 days in a row. So a unique opportunity to visit the area which surrounds them, for example, Penedès. And we are happy to be able to offer what we are the best at, that is wine and cava. This weekend we have a wine and cava fair in Vendrell in Baix Penedès, where except for obvious things like wine tastings, there will also be cultural activities and children's events. Now, let's jump to what is more unique and takes place out here this weekend. If you want to see Catalan human towers, you will have realized that the season is over. Now, on Sunday in Vilafranca, you'll be able to see something quite similar. Let's call it acrobatic human towers or gymnastic formations. It's Falcons. Falcons, just like the Castellers, those who build the traditional Catalan human towers. Falcons wear shirts, in our case they are white, and we wear sashes to protect the back and help the other people to climb up on our shoulders. Now, the sashes up in Vilafranca are green, and let's be honest, the green team are the best Falcons in Catalonia, and their performance on Sunday takes place indoors, so you don't have to be afraid about being cold. Both these two events, the wine market and Falcons, are good examples of how Penedès can be visited through a day trip. For example, on Sunday morning, you could take the train out to Vendrell, visit the wine market, and then by lunchtime, go back via Vilafranca and see the Falcons performance before you go back to Barcelona again. Or if you only want the shopping, why not go to Vendrell via, for example, the Christmas market in Cunit, it's the 2nd of Advent on Sunday after all, or on Saturday, visit the fresh olive oil tasting in Cava Fair. If you want more information about any of these events, please visit us at discoverpenedès.com, and most importantly, come and visit us physically out here in Penedès. Welcome!